Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 11 years, and this is the Tennant T500. Now in this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So we need to replace the solenoid valve on your T500. It's a little bit tricky, but it can be done. So first what you want to do is key on your machine and drop your brush deck, and then jack up the back of the machine so you can remove the drive wheel. Now, we have already done that. So next, what you want to do is locate your solenoid valve, which is sitting behind the brake if your machine has a brake. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to unhook your solenoid. Unplug it there, kind of tuck your wires out of the way. Now, there are two Torx 20 screws that are holding your solenoid valve to the machine that you have to remove. There's one in the back and one in the front. And now your solenoid is free from the machine. Next step, we're going to unhook the water lines. And here is your solenoid unhooked from the machine. Now what I do want to say is make sure that you've got some extra rags on hand just in case you had some leftover water in the lines and you have a mess. So now to install your new solenoid, just reverse the steps. Go ahead and push the water lines back into the inlet side and the outlet side. And make sure you hear a click. Just like that. Now we can go ahead and screw it back onto the bracket. Now it's a little easier if you take your Torx just to get the screw started. Just like that. I'll come back and make sure you get the back side done too. Now be sure to tighten those Torx screws down. Just like that. Now all we need to do is plug the solenoid valve back in. And then be sure to reinstall the drive wheel and raise your deck. Then you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.